I am DeeJayBe's husband. Since the last time we saw each other, she still hasn't made our wedding video.
January 2022 was the last time that you saw Chance. We entirely skipped engagement, fiance. What better way to make a comeback than with an unboxing?
I missed. Hold that for me. Oh, wow! Wow! Is it a Make-A-Wish horse? That's cool, that's cool.
This is supposedly Breyer's new packaging. That's actually really cool.
That's pretty nice. Is it paper twist ties?
You like the colors?
Mostly.
Out of 5 stars.
But on what context? Are we comparing to other Breyers, or are we comparing to any model horse I've seen?
Oh, whatever you feel in your heart.
2.5.
2.5? Wow, all those children on the box. 2.5. Why?
The kid doesn't have all of the colors, like the foal.
The kid?
Shut up.
I thought you were talking about the kid on the side of the box.
This child is not tanned enough?
I don't like the packaging because it has children on it.
I don't want to wreck your box. Can I wreck it? Can I wreck it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What? He's fine. He's probably fine.
Actually, there was directions.
Hey, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, look, the kid came out. I release you from your shackles.
Chance, no. There's a Breyer on the other side of that! Stop!
I can't get through this string, man. Fur, a little bit of purple on the knees and the nostrils. And then some red on like the consistency with the red.
Well, she is purple.
Yeah! Do horses actually look like that? Are you sure? It looks like someone took a horse and then just like shoved its nose up.
It's an Arab.
Then God did that, and he shouldn't have. The sculpture on the baby is good, I agree. The paint job on the hooves is abysmal.
Anatomical.
Is it a girl?
Well, is she a girl?
Let me check.
Oh,
let me check.
The baby has parts, the mom doesn't.
No, look, she's got...
She has none here.
Oh, she's got no butthole.
I bought these for customizing.
Thank God.
I would actually really like them. I don't like this business.
I love it that...
This business makes it...
I love that it's a Make-A-Wish
Well, that's
thing.
her child, though.
They did that.
I love it. You ready for the next one?
I don't know.
It's like a review of the current Breyer line, and you get to see if they've digressed or gotten better.
From someone outside of the Breyer world that just owns 500 horses by marriage. I don't own Breyers because I would have Breyers myself. I own Breyers because I want her to stick around. Okay, so the next one is in the old bad plastic packaging. Look at that. Oh, I like it though. Casaco. Oh, that's actually a really nice picture of him on the back. Her? Wait. Of him on the back. Working equestrian is an exciting sport.
We're revealing to the internet that you can't spell.
Wait, working, what is that like? Equitation, what the heck is that? I'm not putting this in. What is equitation? Just tell me.
Well, you can read it.
Working equitation is an exciting sport. There are 7 levels and 4 trials. Dressage, ease of handling, in brackets, judged. I read that as testicles. Trainer Jill Barron and her stunning buckskin Lustango gilding Castero are a beautiful example. Sorry, I'm going to use my Breyer voice. What is a Breyer voice? Imported from Portugal and a true ambassador of his breed. Cassano shows...
Cassano?
Cassacco shows audiences what incredible partners Lustango.
Lustango!
I was trying to read it.
Lustango! No!
Wait. That's not the letters. Lusitanos?
There you go.
Lusitanos? And rides in clinics with Jill. I can read that name.
Jill.
I should read more.
It's fine.
No, I'm not done. A highlight of their shared working equestrian experiences. Oh, equitation. All right, can we just open the Breyer?
Yes, please.
Welcome to the world of Breyer. Congratulations, you've received a genuine Breyer model for grown adults and children alike. But usually the grown adults are actually children, and they should be kept in dungeons away from other humans. He's very cute, actually.
He's really pretty.
On a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I like him. The color's nice. The sculpture's nice. I'm gonna give him a 4.5 stars.
4.5, and those are 2.5.
Yeah.
This is for my collection, so I don't want you to wreck them.
Oh, okay, watch out.
Oh my god. Why do you have that? For what reason do you have that? That's for sewing.
You don't know my hobbies. I hate these tabs. I always wreck the box with these tabs, because how are you supposed to get it out? Alright, little horsey, come on out.
You have to individually untie them.
Oh. They expect children to do this? I don't know why you're getting me to open this if it's valuable. I am genuinely trying to not.
Gently.
Oh, hey, I got it. It's like an ASMR experience. Except the microphone's really far away and they can't hear any of this. There's a rub mark.
Yeah, why do you think that is?
That's crazy. It came like, you should talk to Breyer, get a refund. Do you think I actually did that? No. Look at this boy! 4.5 out of 5.
Really? Wow. You done? What are you doing?
No, you need it to
Makeup
focus on it.
tutorial. Look at my horse. This is my horse.
You're gonna want to put this on when you're nice and dry. He's chonky like me. I like this side a lot less though, but they have the air hole on the nice side. And then they've got the Breyer logo right beside the thing that denotes him as a male. I have an anatomy question for you. Based on the size of the... Is this a gelding? Or... Wait, do geldings have no... But do they take them off completely? So this is a stallion. Shrek really confused me about stallion. Would donkey not have been a stallion as a donkey? But when he changed to a horse, now he's a stallion? Is a stallion specifically a male horse? I thought it would be a male equine. One more!
Literally, look at what the box says.
It says do not open from this side. Now I'm scared to push in though.
There's a horse inside.
Well, that is debatable. It could be a donkey. It could be a rock. Oh, just pay for it. Did I scare you? Dude, I'm terrified of touching your horses. I'm actually terrified of living in my own house. If I stomp too hard, a horse will fall over. Wow! Look at the hoss! Oh, it's from Bird Box. That joke is back. Oh, okay. Look at this guy. Wait. Look at it. Ooh, definitely a guy. That's a nice looking Clydesdale.
Wow.
Overo? Overo's under, so it's an overo. Wait, what else do I know? I know Tobiano over. I just know the names. I don't know what they are. Pico de Gallo.
Sabino.
Oh, he's got a really cute face, actually. All horses look stupid from this angle. Never look at a horse from this angle. Let me just prove something to you. Hello! This is what the horse looks like. From up close. Very nice. Wait, I didn't rate that one. Hi, guys! Alright, this is the real good one, though. I do like this one, actually. I don't love that. That looks silly. I do love that it is for Make-A-Wish. Like, that's pretty cool. Wow. Wow. When you watch it back, you'll see why I'm laughing. It looks so funny. It is so funny.
You have to rate this one out of 5.
I'm gonna separate my rating on this one. I think that the sculpture is a 3.5 and the paint job is a 3. I would say this one is a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars.
So this is your favorite?
Yeah. Ask me what breed's there.
You want to guess the breed?
Yeah. I'm not gonna get it though.
You just read the breed on the box.
I read it?
You read it on the box. It's like sitting right there.
Was it like one of the really hard words to read?
Yes.
Well, I'm not gonna get it then, because I don't know that breed.
It's a Lusitano.
Oh, I didn't know that was a breed. I thought that was the name of a horse.
So I want to hear from you guys if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, or if you were like happy that we didn't do this for the last 3 years.
I have a YouTube channel that has no views, and I think it gets negative views, if that's possible. If you want me to be in more videos, make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe. We will be able to tell through analytics, and hit that notification bell and turn notifications to always. And maybe I'll be in the next one if we get enough likes and subscribers. Otherwise, she might divorce me, so it's up to you.
You watch too many YouTube videos that you have an entire outro for videos you don't make.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to smile. Oh, and happy customizing.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
If you like the video enough and subscribe to it enough. Otherwise, we're never posting again, and you'll never see me ever again. Okay. You're welcome for filming. See you later.